Can you hear that? It's a wet start in the lay-by this morning. So because I'm travelling, my plants are all boxed up. And then there's a few bits at the back that are lying down and packed in because I'm driving most days. So I think I'm going to stay here tonight because it's nice and quiet other than the rain. Oh, I love it. I just love hanging out inside with nowhere to go when it's raining. But yeah, tomorrow morning I am in Nottingham. I'm taking the bus to a little nursery for a book reading and open day type thing with the young children. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'll update you how that goes tomorrow, and I hope you all have a lovely Sunday, whatever it is you're up to. Bloody hell, look at this. You need to stop raining, please.